Hey everyone, in terms of effectiveness, convenience, and intelligent cleaning, Dreame Bot X40 Ultra is a revolutionary addition to the robotic vacuum cleaner market. It combines cutting-edge technology to provide unparalleled autonomy, making it a vital domestic helper. X40 Ultra offers a high-end experience designed for contemporary living thanks to its enhanced navigation, creative retractable brushes, and self-cleaning capabilities. Design of the vacuum balances functionality and elegance. Despite its prominence, the docking station has a clean design that blends in with any contemporary setting. The used water tank can hold 4,000 milliliters, while the clean water tank can hold 4,500 milliliters. The 3,200 milliliters capacity of the garbage bag reduces the need for frequent emptying. With a LiDAR sensor turret on top for accurate navigation, the robot itself features a traditional round body that measures 35 centimeters in diameter and 9.7 centimeters in height. It has a dust canister and HEPA filter under the hood. Its mopping mechanism and retractable brushes are its most notable features. By extending the cleaning nozzles, the cutting-edge RoboS technology improves efficiency and coverage. Robot can easily clean an area up to 243 square meters and can do both dry and wet cleaning. X40 Ultra performs exceptionally well on all surfaces, even thick carpets and hardwood floors, thanks to its strong 12,000 Pascal suction force in 5 cleaning modes, including Max Plus for thorough cleaning. While the extensible side brush guarantees complete cleaning around walls and corners, the rubberized V-shaped main brush keeps hair from tangling. A LiDAR laser system, AI camera, and 3D structured light power navigation, enabling the robot to effortlessly avoid obstacles and identify objects. By identifying high dirt areas and modifying its power accordingly, it cleverly adjusts to changing cleaning conditions. Pollution sensors to check water quality when mopping, and height sensors to avoid falls are examples of safety features. Another advantage is battery life. The X40 Ultra can clean large houses for up to 194 minutes on a single charge because of its 6,400 mAh battery. It automatically goes back to the docking station to recharge when the battery is low and then starts cleaning again. Although it takes 6 hours to fully charge, fast charging features guarantee little downtime. The X40 Ultra may be easily controlled using the Dreame Home app. Users may construct room layouts, set schedules, and create virtual limits thanks to its user-friendly interface. Additionally, the robot can save up to 4 alternative layouts and supports multi-floor mapping. Its convenience is increased by integration with voice assistants like Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Its utility is further enhanced by a special video surveillance capability that lets owners utilize the robot's camera to remotely watch their house. This type reaches an unmatched degree of independence when connected to a water supply, minimizing need for manual intervention. What high-end robotic vacuum cleaner ought to be is redefined by Dreame Bot X40 Ultra. It is an exceptional option for anyone looking for a completely automated cleaning solution because of its well-considered design, state-of-the-art technology, and exceptional cleaning capabilities. This robot can perform all of your cleaning tasks with unparalleled simplicity and precision, regardless of how big or little your house is. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, have a nice day, and God bless you.